Next, using pattern cards with punch card attachments. Start by inserting the pattern card holder into the slot. This secures the pattern card in place. Letting you clearly see the pattern card numbers as you knit. We finished setting up the machine's edge. Set the half stitch lever to position H5. The machine edge is set. We'll program the carriage with the card pattern. Set both side cam levers to triangle position. Keep the cam lever at position 0. Set the tension dial to 3. Set the tension dial on the secondary carriage to 3 as well. Keep all other settings the same. Now check that the auto positioning lever is set to 1. Next, we'll move the carriage. This lets the carriage record the punch card pattern. The carriage has now stored the pattern. Now unlock the punch card. Now switch the main cam lever to position T. Gently move the carriage again. Each pull advances the card 1 row. We can adjust based on the yarn thickness and adjust the tension dial accordingly. The current pattern card is set on the main machine. Next, we'll use the secondary machine for perforated tuck stitches. Compare both cards. The secondary one has an R part. With the pattern card installed, unlock the pattern card. Then pull the carriage once to register the pattern. Unlock the pattern card. Then set the main machine's cam lever to SJ. Gently move the carriage back and forth. This pattern works best with fine yarn. After knitting, remove the fabric from the machine. And detach the weight to release the yarn. Gently slide the carriage to release the knitted piece. This top pattern shows our perforated narrow tuck stitches. We've set the cam lever for embossed knitting. The lower pattern is created by the cam lever selection when set to tuck position. Here's a clear front and back comparison.